What's up, guys? This course alone has made me way over $400 a day for the last month. I've had it for 2 months, and my first month making money. I just want to say this guy provides a ton of value for the money you pay. The beginner's course is $125, and this one is $145 for the advanced. I'll leave the links in the description below if you want to check them out. I bought the advanced class because I knew a little bit about YouTube. For people that don't know much about YouTube, I definitely recommend to go with the beginner's class. This has a lot of the same stuff as the advanced, but the advanced has a bunch of just little tips and tricks on how to boost your revenue and grow your channel even faster. Both of them have a way of showing you how to make money online within 1 week and monetize your channel within 1 week. It's crazy. I did that personally, and it actually worked. And I just want to say that his Facebook group and his email are provided when you buy the course. Both are very valuable because he is super responsive on emailing you back, and also in the Facebook group. The Facebook group has a bunch of like-minded individuals, so we're all trying to make money on YouTube and make money on YouTube for a living. So we're all helping each other out and grow and giving each other better ideas. Also, another thing is that you don't need to be monetized. Like this guy, he makes a lot of his money off course selling his course, and on top of that, his Google AdSense. But affiliate marketing is another big thing that you can make a lot of money with on YouTube. And so I recommend everyone just get a YouTube channel, grow it. Use this guy's method of growing your channel, and I promise you there are multiple ways, regardless of having AdSense on your YouTube channel, there are multiple ways to make way over 6 figures each year. Thanks, guys. The description will have the links to both of these courses. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day, and I just wanted to show you that you can make a ton of money, over $400, way over $400 a day just from posting YouTube videos. And not only just posting them, say for instance you get demonetized or something to that sort, you can also post affiliate links, which I can show you on another video. I know a channel that does that because they have been demonetized, and they link to their Shopify store and they sell stuff through that. And so that just proves to you that there's multiple ways to make money on YouTube, especially because it's such a powerful platform. A lot of people watch it. It's the most popular video streaming website. So if you can build a following on YouTube, they're loyal fans, so they will be inclined to buy anything that you advertise. For instance, I mean, you can see right here that the top TikTok challenges of March 2019. These people just take TikToks and upload them. I mean, that's as simple as they do. They just make a little thing on each side, and then they upload them. So I mean, it's really easy to do. You can do this with anything. Instagram, it's just really easy to do. Like another place that I know that does this is All Urban Central. And as you can see here, they're piggybacking off big names. As you can see, I mean, like all these people like Kodak Black, they just take their live videos or something and then re-upload them. I mean, they're just piggybacking off of them, and that's the thing you want to do when you're trying this method, is because you want to piggyback off the big names or what's trending, because that's how you make money. You don't want to post old things because no one's going to want to watch that. Anyway, I mean, let's see how much this is made. This channel has 801 million views, so I'm just going to do 801 million because, I mean, it's a rough estimate. As you can see, 801 million times 0.1 for a 10% click-through rate, and then times 0.3. This place has made $2,403,000 just from uploading YouTube videos in the span of 5 years. So 5 years, $480,000 a year just from doing this. And there's multiple YouTube channels that do this. And that's what I'm just trying to show you, the importance of YouTube, because there's multiple ways you can make money doing it. Placing affiliate links within your YouTube description, that's another way. Like here, Joe Rogan, I'm going to show you that these actually do have ads on them, and Joe Rogan doesn't flag them or anything. I don't know if they have something worked out where Joe Rogan gets a cut of the revenue. I'm not sure, but regardless, they're free to upload these, and they have ads on them. See, here's an ad. I'm gonna let it play through. I'm gonna skip it, and then I'm gonna show you they have another ad on this video, or actually they have several. 1, 2, 3, and they make a ton of money doing this. And it's just insane because it's as easy as ripping the videos from Joe Rogan's podcast that he does each day and then re-uploading them. And as you can see, I mean, he's getting a ton of views. Some of them are more viral than others, the trending topics. But as you can see, I mean, he has 496,000 subscribers. And he's growing really fast because this was like 495 like yesterday. But anyway, I'm just showing you that even this channel, if it did get demonetized, they can still make money with, say, Joe Rogan has a phrase or something that he likes to say, or a Joe Rogan shirt, maybe something like that. And then they could sell that to their audience and make a ton of money because, as you can see, all these people like Joe Rogan. That's why they just subscribed. And it's crazy because he has this big of a following for someone else. He's piggybacking off of Joe Rogan, and this is how he's making all of his money. And just a rough estimate for this channel, 245 million views times 0.1 times 0.03, $735,000 in 3 years. That is insane. And he's not even doing any work. He's just re-uploading videos that Joe Rogan has made. And that's the thing I'm saying is you need to piggyback. Sorry about that, I got cut off. But regardless, you need to piggyback off of someone because that's how you're going to make money doing this method. Regardless, even if you weren't monetized, like I was saying, the affiliate links, you want to make a name for yourself and gain subscribers and viewers by doing this method and piggybacking off of people. Because if you just upload irrelevant videos, no one's going to subscribe and no one's going to pay you any attention. You'll have like 10 views in like 2 years. So what I'm saying is you need to piggyback. That's the strongest point, is piggybacking off of other people. And here's another video, Joe Rogan channel, Joe Rogan Universe Fan Channel. They do the same thing. They just upload random Joe Rogan clips and put a clickbait title and sometimes a clickbait thumbnail. But regardless, they do the same thing, and they have, how many views they have? They have 74 million views. So they've still made a ton of money. And they've had the channel for 2 years, and they've grown it to 500,000 subscribers. Or wait, they actually don't have 500,000, but regardless, the other channel had 500,000 subscribers, and they make a ton of money. I'm sure this channel has grown super fast as well. I mean, as you can see, it's been 2 years since the channel has been made, and look at some of the video views: 19, 153,000, 42, 22. They make a lot of money. As you can tell, they have at least several 100,000 subscribers, I would say, just by the view count. And as you go on, I mean, you can see Fortnite. This is one that everyone talks about, is Fortnite. It's not so good now. I mean, it's still hot, but at the same time, it's kind of died out. Apex Legends is another one, but I'm going to show you this one. This one is insane. How much money they've made from a video game that they have. They don't even upload their own clips. It's just stolen from other people. Well, I wouldn't say that it's stolen, but you get what I'm saying, is that they didn't do anything. They have $224 million. So if you did, 224 million views. So you did 224 million times 0.1 times 0.03, $672,000 just from uploading Fortnite videos. That is insane. These guys don't even have to do anything but just look for hot topics on Fortnite through Twitch. I'm sure all these are from Twitch. And this is this guy right here does the same thing on Fortnite. 64K, 41K, and they have ads on their videos. But even if they didn't, this is another thing about affiliate marketing. Who watches Fortnite? The younger generation. So if you do that, you can market to the younger generation. You can sell something they would want to buy, and this would make an insane amount of money if they had a Shopify store and they had something that had to do somewhat with Fortnite. Or even if you wanted to, it doesn't have to be with Fortnite because it's a younger generation It could be something about a rapper or something like that, because that's what younger generations like. They like rappers. They like Fortnite. So you could say there's a whole bunch of ways you can market to this, and even if they do demonetize you, it's not the end of the world, because YouTube affiliate marketing is insane how much money you can make. Like I was saying earlier, people trust you, and so they'll buy from you. And so, I mean, the only thing keeping you back from doing this is starting. You don't need to wait. You need to go ahead and start, because how are you going to get anywhere else if you don't start? You're not going to get anywhere else. You want to make money, you have to do what others don't. So what I'm saying is, just take the time out of your day to do something else that others won't, because it'll benefit you in the long run. And as you can see here, these people make a ton of money. Now that they've grown it, I'm sure it took a lot of initial work. But now they have so many subscribers and stuff, as you can see, they have to put in minimum work, because now it's passive. And on top of that, they can just upload a random video and it still get a lot of views, because they have their base. Their base is so good. Their base subscribers. So that pushes their videos out there, and others can see them more easily. And so I'm just saying, you build it up and build it up, and then you'll prosper from that. So what I'm saying is, guys, just take the plunge and try it out. I have a course in the description. You guys may like it or you may not. This is how I've made over $100,000 within 2 months, is by following this course. And I just want to urge others to take advantage of this and jump on the opportunity, because it's a very small cost for what you can make. Because I'm sure after you refresh this channel, and they've already gained a few subscribers. So what I'm saying is, guys, don't wait. Go ahead and don't sit on the sidelines. Have a great day, guys.